In this video, we will show you how to replace your serpentine belt tensioner. Let's get started. Let's start removing our serpentine belt. Before you remove the belt, have a close look at all of your pulleys. You'll notice the serpentine belt goes over some and it goes under some. Pay attention to the routing. Now once you know that, continue on over to your serpentine belt tensioner. We'll use a 3/8 drive ratchet to fit directly into the square hole, and then we can turn this clockwise to relieve tension from the belt. After that, we can grab onto the belt and carefully pull it off of the alternator. There it is, friends. Now let's quickly have a look at our serpentine belt. Make sure it doesn't look like the backing is damaged. And also make sure that the grooves don't look like they're dry rotted and cracked in any way. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and set that aside. If it does look like it's damaged, it's time to replace the serpentine belt. Now we can start removing the tensioner from the engine. Looking down in the center of the tensioner, you're going to find one 10mm headed bolt that holds it in place to the engine. Go ahead and remove that one bolt. Remove and inspect your mounting bolt and set that aside. There it is, friends. The next thing you'll want to do is clean the engine where your new serpentine belt tensioner will sit. We'll use a wire brush for that. Give that a quick inspection, and then we can prepare for our installation. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our brand new serpentine belt tensioner. In the center, you're going to find the bolt hole, and then along the side of that, you'll find a little piton that protrudes outward a little bit. You need to make sure that that fits into the corresponding hole in the engine. Let's take that tensioner and put it in place. Once it's in position, continue on with your mounting bolt. We'll start this in, snug it up, and then torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Once you've torqued it to 89 inch-pounds, continue tightening it an additional 90 degrees or quarter turn. To start putting on the belt, let's make our way all the way down to the harmonic balancer or crank pulley. We'll put the belt all the way around that. Now once you've gone around that, continue on along the power steering pump pulley all the way over on the driver's side. Now we're going to hold the slack from that side and continue on with the passenger side of the belt. Bring that around the water pump pulley. We'll continue on bringing that belt down along the serpentine belt tensioner and then down around the AC compressor. Once you have all that in position, continue on with the belt up along the top here on your idler pulley and then take up all the slack. The next thing we're going to have to do is release tension from the tensioner to put the belt up and over the alternator pulley. Okay, friends, we've got the car back together. At this point, go ahead and start it up. Let it run for approximately 10 seconds and turn it right back off. Make your way back out here and double check to make sure the belt is sitting on all the pulleys properly. Aside from that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.